Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and today we're on the hard with our 2019 Boston Whaler 320 Vantage. We're getting our 2019s in faster than we even have racks to put them in. So if you hear some noise in the background, some diesel engines, some saws, whatever, we're building the racks, we're building space for you guys to store the boats. We're just working on it as fast as we can. Anyways, today we're on board the 320 Vantage. This is one of my favorite boats. If you do a Power Squadron trip with me, if you're here at the store, you're gonna hear us talk about them endlessly. You've seen my videos before. This is just another one that has everything except the kitchen sink. Actually, nope, this one has a kitchen sink too, it just doesn't have a grill. At the back, we've got Mercury's 350 Verados. Great motors, they've been building in some variety for almost 15 years. Horsepower going up. They're warranted on this Whaler for 5 years. They have joystick control. Absolute treat if you're docking. Ask my customer who just ran with us to Tampa how much easier it makes it coming in. Of course, this boat's got seating for the entire family, your extended family, their friends. I mean, this is a growing family's boat. Again, huge lounger at the back, solid for 3 people. Hey, while we're back here, and I don't want to forget, this boat's got our shore package, a shore power package on it. For those who are cruising, gonna be running some destinations, whether you follow us to Tampa, go to Captiva. This is the west coast of Florida. It's incredible for tripping around with these boats. All your seats convert. You've got full loungers. You can adjust them all over the place. In this case, we've got storage underneath this rear seat, and you're gonna see a honking ladder. Talk about a seriously nice ladder. That plays party to our dive door over here. This has got to be the best engineered and most solid dive door on the planet. That ladder clips in there. You're going to see on a lot of boats, there's a big lip here. You step down into the hull. On a Boston Whaler, you don't. It's flush, it's smooth. Nobody trips, whether they're young, they're older, you got a dog jumping off the boat. And of course, the stainless hinges are amazing. The latches are amazing. They do a really nice job. Like I had mentioned earlier, everything except for the grill. You've got a monstrous live well right here. Of course, you can see your switches. You've got storage, bait storage, as the case may be. This one has the isotherm refrigerator. Absolutely phenomenal. It's just nice to have your drinks right there. Corian countertops, and of course that kitchen sink I almost forgot I had. This boat also has a premium sound system, JL Fusion. Cool thing Whaler does, you can see the cup holders. We all know you need them. What you don't see right away is these little USB 12-volt outlets. There's spots all over this boat to charge your phone. Once upon a time, that didn't matter. We all know with kids these days, it does. Both helm seats, unique to this boat. Both helm seats are power adjusting up and down. This one swivels, you can spin it. There's a table that belongs right there, so you can actually do a full dinette area right there. And on these, you're gonna see your front sunshade. An option on this particular boat is what these 2 metal poles are. They belong in the front, you put it up manually. But you've got a small lounge area. Big skylights. And that's one thing that people don't realize until they bought a boat. You don't do this when you're checking on the hard. Sometimes these spots, if they're not big, they get claustrophobic. Whaler's got a big skylight there. They've got a skylight here above the head. And what you can't see behind me forward, they've got 2 more. Before we leave the cockpit, I can't help but mention, look at the size of hardtop. It's incredible. Shade and shade and shade for days. And the camera just panned over. There's an electric rear sunshade. So check this out. Let's just do the math real quick. Electric sunshade goes all the way to the transom. Class leading hardtop right here. Hatches you can open up. That covers all your common area. And then what you just saw in that cockpit down below is a manual sunshade that covers the entire bow. Of course, the bow is equally well appointed. Cup holders on both sides, 12-volt outlets on both sides, incredible loungers with full down armrests. I mean, it's seriously comfortable even under way up here. This particular boat, you can see the runners. It's got a bow cushion that turns this whole area into a playpen. But if you want to use it every day, she's got a boarding ladder above her windlass forward. Nice little freshwater bit sitting right here at the bow, whether you want to rinse off a dog, rinse off your anchor. Guys, this boat seriously will do everything you ask it to for all the people that you have. The last piece I want to mention before we leave, you're gonna see when we pan over the dash, there's no electronics on this boat. We do Garmin, Simrad, Raymarine on a dealer level. And what's really cool about that, you can retain your Mercury screen, it will network with Simrad and others, and the joystick. The joystick on this boat is not only massively helpful, but it gives you autopilot capability when you add a comparable MFD or multi-function display. Of course, back that up with easy auto trim tabs, Fusion stereo all network. Guys, this boat really has it all. This is our 2019 320 Vantage. That's the construction in the background. If you want to grab one of those slips before they're gone, we'll put this and you in the gem of the West Coast. Guys, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota. This is our 320 Vantage. Give us a call. We'll take care of you.